Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the alarm icon. Find the icon and tap on it. Oh, my bad. Let's open it again and tap on the icon like this. And here we have a couple of options. We have off, once, Monday to Friday, and every day. If you select off, the alarm will be turned off. If you select once, it's gonna be enabled and it's gonna go off only once. If you select Monday to Friday, it will repeat from Monday to Friday. If you select every day, it will repeat every day. So select the option you like, for example once, then set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, then tap on the check mark. And here we have it. The alarm has been set up. You can also tell by the fact that you have the icon right here at the top of the watch face. And if you open the quick panel and hover over the alarm icon, it will tell you when is it supposed to go off. And to disable the alarm, simply open the quick panel and tap on the icon and then select off, like this. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.